Hi guys, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use JLPT Japanese Study Kanji Vocabulary N5, N4, N3, N1 that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running. So in here, search in JLPT and JLPT does one. Alright, so before we install this app, let's take a look at the features in here. So learn Japanese all-in-one kanji vocabulary building a conversation, learn 2,300 essential kanji and track your progress, learn detailed kanji with JLPT level, learn 10,000 Japanese vocabulary words with native sound, learn 60 lessons and 1,800 sentences of conversational communication. Many training features: listening practice, speaking practice, writing practice, and learn hiragana and katakana alphabets, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just wanna let you know that the features available with this app. So more than 2,300 beautifully designed essential kanji for learning efficiency, and also 10,000 Japanese vocabulary, so 1,000 JLPT N5 Japanese with 12 topics, and 1,500 JLPT N4 with 7 topics, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So let's skip this part and use English language, the premium version. So let's just skip that for now and use the free version. So the free version, this is the home page. So you'll be able to see vocabulary, kanji, alphabet, conversation, grammar, JLPT quiz, setup widgets, rate us, and some of the toolbars below. So let's try to open this one. So JLPT N1, let's try this. So you'll be able to use this. So N1, relationships between people, let's try this. And there, relative, Niuchi. It's reassuring to have a doctor as a relative. So that's the translation, English translation. And then you wanna hear this words, then just tap this one to listen to the Japanese pronunciation. So please write down here whether you have a spouse or not. So there. Or you can just tap this one here to play everything. So there, it's now playing. So starting from here, then second, third, fourth, and so on. So if you notice, there's 3 buttons below. So flashcard is where you can practice like this one, nedaro. So tap the listen and then mean. So that's the meaning. And then swipe it again. And then swipe it. You will be able to see this one. So if you notice, this is already an advanced topic. It's using kanji. So if you're still on the beginner part, you still don't know the hiragana and katakana, then start with the basics first, hiragana and katakana. And once you're able to memorize it, then you can proceed to the next level, which is the kanji, which is more advanced topic. So there. And this one here, this is going to add it to your favorites. So just tap it and it will be added to your favorites. So writing is where you can practice writing. Tap it first, and then once you know how to write it, then tap it, and then tap this box and write it here. Then you can check it. So there. And let's go back to the tests. Test is where you will be able to test your knowledge. So kumuri, and I think it is this one. So yes, kumuri. Next. So this one, it's kanji and I forgot about it, so let me just cancel this part here. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use and really handy. So this one here, let me try to jump to other topics like this one, news, politics. So it's going to take for a while to load there. So the same thing that you will see, tap this to play all of the sentences so that you'll be able to listen. And let me try two other favorite books there, and JLPT N5, Tomodachi, and then you can choose the quiz right away, or you can start from here. It's going to take for a while to load there. So tap to listen there. The audio takes some time to load, so it's going to download some resources first before you can listen to the pronunciation. So you can also jump to this one here, the kanji part there, where you can practice kanji, study there how to write it properly using the strokes and the examples below. So these are already advanced topic, and I suggest this to anyone who's already been studying Japanese. You want to proceed to the more advanced level, then jump to kanji. Alphabet is where you can see the hiragana and katakana, the basic one. So for the beginners, I highly recommend the hiragana and katakana first. Memorize this, and then you can go to the kanji. Conversation is where you can see a list of conversation, and as you may have noticed, some of the contents are being locked, so you'll have to upgrade it to Pro version to unlock all the contents. So let's try the free version. Conversation, start listening to the conversation. So sentence, the audio is being downloaded, please wait. Alright, sentence, learn now. So Smith, Kato, how long does it take for you to commute? And then you can tap this one to, so if you tap this, you will be able to see the hiragana and katakana. And this one is kanji. So if you're already familiar with hiragana and katakana, then you can read this. So it's Kato-san, tsukin jikan dono kurai desu ka? And the translation below, Kato, how long does it take for you to commute? Then you can listen by tapping this and record your voice. So this one is if you want to add this to your favorites. Then you can proceed to the next part by swiping it like this there. So it's really easy to use. So, though the Pro version has a limited access, you can only access some of the parts, and the rest is going to be locked. So you have to buy the Pro version to unlock it. And grammar, let's take a look at the grammar section. So JLPT N1, the same thing. So there you'll be able to see the examples and how to use this formation, bai ni yote wa. So how to use it in a sentence. So there, tap this one to listen, and so on. Alright, let's try to go to the other parts of the JLPT. This one. So as you can see, you can also answer the quiz. So it's a multiple choice. So you'll have to read the questions first and then answer or fill in the blanks, and then choose your answer below. And you can see the next post and then see the results. So there. And set up widgets. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so it's going to be a video. Rate us if you want to rate this application. The developers practice there, kanji practice, vocabulary practice, and so on. So there. So what is large slime in Japanese? So it's wrong. Continue there. And shop. So you can buy the premium version here so that you can unlock all of the features. So settings doesn't have anything in here, only language, and the rate us premium is where you can buy the pro version. So that's how you use this application. It's really helpful and easy to use, and it has everything starting from beginners to advanced topics. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.